I was riding my motorcycle. We were sitting in traffic. The next thing I know, a truck tried to do a U-turn and hit my leg. I woke up and they were trying to attach the leg back.
When I actually went and saw her in the emergency room, there's my, my rock solid wife who does everything for everyone. I didn't know how to help her. This is the most helpless I had felt ever, just seeing her there.
There's no knee and there's a bunch of skin missing. There's no way for them to be able to literally sew this leg up.
It was very challenging to manage all the different things. So I came across Thomson Rogers through a referral of a friend of mine. Len came with Carmen to the hospital.
I got surgery going on and he's there. Talking to the doctors, trying to sort the leg out. He just show up. If it wasn't him, it was Carmen.
At that time, it became clear we had to do an above-knee amputation.
Len told me, this is going to be done the way you want it done. And he showed me the way and I could see it happening and it happened. Just wanted my life to keep going. It's just not me, I'm not a standstill person.
It was a huge weight off my shoulders when I was able just to kind of not worry about having to deal with the legal side of things anymore.
They knew exactly what they were doing. So I would call and say, look, I need to get to physiotherapy. I need to go home. And they're telling me it's not happening because I need a bed. And he says, don't worry about it. I will sort it out. And the next thing I know is that my husband says, there's a bed in the house. There's a ramp in the house. He had set it all up. There's a nurse going to be coming on a daily basis. Next thing I know, he showed up at the hospital. He says, you're going home and I'm setting this up today. It's almost like an army of people coming to rescue you from a very, very hard situation. The team honestly brought this calm, not just to me, to Steve, to the kids. All I had to do was start walking again.
We knew that there was a leg that was called the X3 that would allow Fere to be active, go swimming, hiking, even run. But the insurance company didn't feel that she would qualify for such a leg.
They wouldn't pay for my leg. It was just so crazy.
Within no time, Len and his team were able to resolve the issue, make sure that Fere was able to get this leg to resume her normal life.
I started driving the bus for TTC in 2006. I so badly wanted to go back driving bus. So I said, there's nothing that's impossible. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm the only amputee in TTC that drives the bus. And I'm very proud of it. I am the foundation of this home. Len, he took care of me, and when he took care of me, he took care of my husband and my family. I love Len. I honestly love him. So I am back to riding a motorcycle, skiing, swimming. I love traveling, so that doesn't stop me. And spend a ton of time with my kids. That is really on top of my list, to just be able to keep up with my kids. And that's because of Len and the team. And I am grateful.